We're near 70 degrees yesterday afternoon, but boy, what a difference a day can make. Much colder out there, and temperatures have steadily been falling through the course of this afternoon. Remember the key number, 32 degrees. That's where you're at currently in New Iberia. Below that in Lafayette, Youngsville, up in Opelousas, Jennings as well. And these temperatures will continue to drop pretty quickly through this evening and overnight tonight. We do have a winter weather advisory in effect, again, for the possibility of maybe some light freezing rain over the next few hours into early tomorrow morning. We also have hard freeze warnings and wind chill advisories in place as well, with some dangerous wind chill values forecasted by tomorrow morning. We'll show you that in just a second. So the shallow Arctic air mass has moved in. Now we're looking at some overrunning moisture, still have an active upper level pattern, but most of this precipitation that's going to be falling this evening will fall in the form as rain, because even though we're below freezing at the surface, we still have that warm nose, as we call it, just above the surface. So the precip melts as it falls through the atmosphere, but then once it encounters the very cold temperatures at the surface, it freezes upon contact, thus freezing rain. Batch of precip has been pushing through the heart of Acadiana over the past several minutes, mostly either just some very light rain or light freezing rain that has extended as far north as St. Landry Parish, but now that pushing out of the parish and as far south as the extreme northern parts of Vermilion Parish. And we're getting ready to see a lull in the action here over the next few minutes, but notice we do have additional precip taking shape off to our southwest, even some of that now extending into Gaydon and Jennings. You're about to get this second round, but all of this pushing towards us here over the next few hours. So there's going to be about a 5 to 7 hour window this evening and overnight tonight where we'll have the possibility to see some light freezing rain, some small accumulation, some icing, and thus that could present some hazardous travel conditions early tomorrow morning, especially on those elevated surfaces like bridges and overpasses. So we'll get to that in a little bit more detail in just a second. But you can see the precipitation coming to an end after about 2 o'clock in the morning. At the same time, temperatures will be plummeting into the 20s. And then once the precip moves out, really it's all about those cold temperatures, as lows tomorrow morning will be in the upper teens to lower 20s, wind chills in the single digits. Now, as far as possible ice accumulation, models have been a little bit more aggressive for today, showing anywhere from 0.05 upwards to 1/10 of an inch of ice accumulation. And keep in mind, it takes about 1/10 of an inch to start to create some at least minor travel impacts out there. So again, certainly could be some slick, slippery spots on the roadways first thing tomorrow morning, especially for those elevated surfaces. And that's highlighted here on the second bullet point. But what you can expect over the next several hours, some scattered light freezing rain. Again, nothing too terribly heavy. That is the good news. It's going to fall pretty light in nature. Otherwise, by and large, bigger story is going to be those very cold temperatures and hard freezes that will be in place tonight and then heading into tomorrow night. So let's talk those temperatures. We're continuing to fall through this evening. Most of us will be in the 20s prior to midnight, and then bottoming out upper teens to lower 20s first thing tomorrow morning. Going to be watching temperatures tomorrow afternoon, because hopefully we can get a couple of degrees above freezing by the afternoon. As skies will turn mostly sunny, but if we stay at or below freezing, any isolated slick spots tonight could still be in place for Wednesday morning. So again, we'll be watching that for you for sure. And of course, keeping you updated with any sort of travel advisories that may arise. Maybe even a couple of degrees colder for the air temperature first thing Wednesday morning, still in the upper teens, maybe even mid-teens for Ville Platte on northward, to lower 20s for the rest of us. Here's those wind chills, wind picking up later on tonight through tomorrow morning out of the north, sustained 15 to 25 miles per hour. So most of us feeling like the single digits first thing tomorrow morning. And despite mostly sunny skies tomorrow afternoon, it's going to be feeling like the teens and lower 20s for the better part of the day, and then dropping down those wind chills into the teens first thing on Wednesday morning. So for tonight, freezing rain out there over the next few hours. Otherwise, brutally cold conditions. 21 that projected low, but your wind chills will be in the single digits by tomorrow morning. So dress appropriately. And for tomorrow, very cold and windy conditions. Skies gradually turning mostly sunny, hopefully pushing our temperatures a little bit above freezing by the afternoon hours. And then here we go. As we head into your Wednesday, we are looking at temperatures rebounding into the 40s. And then briefly getting into the upper 60s to near 70 for Thursday, before potentially another shot of cooler air gets here for next weekend. That's a look at weather for now, but stay with us. We'll have more for you coming up after the break.